And here's section 3. Gangleri began his questioning thus: Who is foremost or oldest of all the gods? Har answered, He is called in our speech All-Father. Then asked Gangleri, Where is this god, or what power hath he, or what hath he wrought that is a glorious deed? Har made answer, He lives throughout all ages, and governs all his realm, and directs all things, great and small. Then said Janhar, He fashioned heaven and earth and air, and all things which are in them. Then spake Thridi, The greatest of all is this, that he made man and gave him the spirit, which shall live and never perish, though the flesh frame rot to mold or burn to ashes. And all men shall live, such as are just in action, and be with himself in the place called Gimli. But evil men go to hell, and thence down to the misty hell, and that is down in the ninth world. Then said Gangleri, What did he before heaven and earth were made? And Har answered, He was then with the rime giants. So that's a short section. Here's what you need to know. Just a couple things. First of all, this is the beginning of Gangleri asking all of his questions. He's starting to get some answers. The very first question he asked about who's like the best god, their answer is All-Father. That's just another name for Odin. So we don't know Odin's name yet, but we're calling him All-Father. That's who he is. They talk about for a second how basically he's in charge of everything, made everything, lives forever. The only other thing worth noting from section 3 is toward the bottom when they start to talk about hell and these other worlds. There are other worlds that we'll be introduced to. So far, we just know about hell. And then rime giants. They said he was with the rime giants. That's frost giants or ice giants. That's just another word for frost, and you'll hear them called like some of those other names throughout.